Let me tell you a story. Not about a teacher, not about a hero, but about a small boy only 8 years old. His name is Tom. He is my neighbor. He loves running. Every morning he runs in the park, rain or shine, hot or cold, he runs every day. One day I asked him, Tom, why do you run every morning? He smiled and said, because I want to be strong. Not just strong outside, strong inside too. I was shocked. He was only 8, but he had more discipline than me. He never missed a day. While I said, I'm tired, I'm busy, I'll start tomorrow, Tom just ran. And one day I asked him, don't you ever feel lazy? He said, of course, but I don't wait for motivation. I follow my habit, one small step every day. Those words hit me hard. I thought about my life, my goals, my dreams, and how many times I stopped because I didn't feel ready. But Tom kept going, step by step, day by day. So I started something new. I opened my English notebook. I said, just 5 minutes today. Then the next day I said, just one sentence. Then one more word, then one more minute. And now I study English every day, just like Tom runs. Discipline is not for the strong. Discipline is what makes you strong. If an 8-year-old can be consistent, so can you. So can I. Don't wait for the perfect time. Create it. Start today. Start now. Your future is not tomorrow. Your future is what you do today. Let's learn English. Let's do it every day. Just 5 minutes, just one word, every single day. You can do it, and you won't be alone.